Stronger legs mean stronger independence. And today, we build that strength together. Hello, dear seniors. Welcome back to our day 2 of the 100-day Senior Fitness Series. If you are new here, join us daily to stay strong and active. Let's get started together. Exercise number 1, seated marching, 25 repetitions. For our first exercise today, we will do seated marching. This exercise is excellent for improving leg strength, circulation, and coordination, all while staying safe in a seated position. Make sure you are sitting on a sturdy chair with your back straight and both feet flat on the floor. Place your hands on the armrests or on your thighs for support. Now, let us start marching in place while seated. Lift your right knee up slowly, then lower it back down. Now lift your left knee. We will continue this movement in a slow and controlled rhythm, counting each repetition together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. How are you feeling so far? Remember, it is okay if you need to take a small pause. Keep breathing deeply and focus on lifting each knee gently. Imagine your legs growing stronger with each movement. If you are finding this challenging, do not worry. Consistency is key. Keep going, and soon this will become easier. Share in the comments below how this feels and where you are watching from today. Exercise number 2, chair sit to stand, 25 repetitions. For our second exercise today, we will perform the chair sit to stand. This exercise is perfect for strengthening the legs, improving balance, and increasing mobility for seniors. First, make sure your chair is stable and placed on a flat surface. Sit all the way back in the chair with your feet flat on the floor, about hip width apart. Keep your back straight and your core gently engaged. Place your hands on the armrests or cross them over your chest. Now we will begin standing up slowly and then sitting back down, completing 25 repetitions together. Follow my counting and stay with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Well done. How are your legs feeling? Remember to keep your movements controlled and take a small break if needed. If you successfully completed all 25 repetitions, write a comment below saying, Day 2, sit to stand complete. Sharing your progress helps motivate others, and it feels wonderful to celebrate your consistency. Keep breathing, stay focused, and know that each repetition is making your legs stronger for daily activities. Exercise number 3, leg extensions. 25 repetitions each leg. For our third exercise today, we will do leg extensions. This exercise strengthens the quadriceps, improves knee mobility, and helps you maintain balance. Begin by sitting tall on a sturdy chair, keeping your back straight and shoulders relaxed. Place your feet flat on the floor and your hands gently on the sides of the chair for support. We will start with the left leg first. Slowly extend your left leg out in front of you until it is straight, then lower it back down. Follow my counting carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Excellent. Now, switch to your right leg. Lift your right leg slowly until it is fully extended, then lower it back down with control. Let us count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Well done, seniors. Where are you watching from today? Let us celebrate together in the comments. If you enjoyed this exercise, share this video with 5 to 7 of your fellow seniors so they can join in and strengthen their legs too. Remember, consistency is key, and every repetition makes a difference. Exercise number 4, heel raises, 25 repetitions. For our fourth exercise today, we will do heel raises. This exercise strengthens your calves, improves balance, and helps with walking stability. Begin by standing behind a sturdy chair for support. Place your hands gently on the back of the chair, feet hip-width apart, and keep your back straight. We will lift our heels slowly off the ground and then lower them back down. Make sure you move in a controlled way and do not rush. Follow my counting carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Fantastic. How are your calves feeling so far? Take a deep breath and remember, you are doing amazing on day 2. Keep your movements slow and steady to get the maximum benefit. Every repetition is making your legs stronger and improving your balance. You are doing a wonderful job. Keep going and imagine your body getting healthier with each lift. Share in the comments below how you feel and encourage 5 to 7 senior friends to join this exercise with you. Remember, consistency over the 100 days will bring strength, mobility, and confidence back to your legs. Exercise number 5, side leg lifts. 25 repetitions each leg. For our final exercise today, we will do side leg lifts. This exercise helps strengthen the outer thighs, improves balance, and increases hip mobility. Begin by standing beside a sturdy chair for support. Place one hand gently on the back of the chair to maintain stability and keep your back straight and core engaged. We will start with the left leg first. Slowly lift your left leg out to the side and then bring it back down. Follow my counting carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Well done. Now switch to your right leg. Lift your right leg out to the side slowly, then lower it back down in a controlled motion. Let us count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Excellent work, seniors. How are your legs feeling today? Remember, consistency is the key to success in our 100-day series. Completing each repetition builds strength, stability, and confidence. Keep going, stay committed, and imagine the progress you will achieve by the end of this journey. Encourage your fellow seniors to exercise with you and share your experience in the comments below. You are doing an amazing job. Great work today, seniors. If you completed all 5 exercises with me, write Day 2 Done in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with 5 to 7 fellow seniors so we can stay strong together. See you tomorrow for Day 3.